Okay, here we go.
Alright, time for another unboxing. Round 2.
Okay.
Shag up the first one.
Yeah, that was me and my big fat thumb.
So anyways, Sabrina Spellman. A couple of those. Box of the Sailor Moon Mystery Minis.
Now, hang on a sec. Just put that back in for a sec. We did in the previous version. We okay. It was 2 boxes for a bunch of little things. Anyway.
And that's
Oh yeah. These Batman ones. Oh, now that's a cool one. The Sean Murphy one.
yeah.
And Sabrina Spellman. And what's those? Oh yeah, those were Sailor Moon. Okay, now here's the big box, I guess.
This is the new stuff.
But yeah, it's great to have it in on the regular Thursday too, isn't it?
Okay.
Okay.
What do we got? Some Venom Pops.
Oh, sweet.
Another one. And another one.
Another one. Gotta have more than one.
And Mario Magic 8 Ball.
Sweet.
You have to be able to tell them the Hello Kitty Magic 8 Ball.
Now that one is cool.
This is
Oh,
a Borg.
oh yes. We will be assimilated, you know.
And a couple of him.
Okay. Mr. Borg, okay, yeah.
Okay.
And,
Knight.
Dark Knight the Joker. Now that is a nice one. Okay.
And
Okay.
Overwatch, couple
Oh.
keychains.
Keychains, okay.
A Creature in a Black Lagoon
Wow.
keychain. That's nice.
That is cool.
And Frankenstein.
Oh, yeah.
And the last thing,
Last but not least,
the Spider-Man Gallery Edition.
oh wow, this one's in the classic costume.
The same pose as the
Yeah,
black one.
exactly, isn't it? Pretty cool, though.
And that's it for that.
Okay, well,
See you for pick of the week.
yes, okay, thanks.
All right, man.
Okay.